It behave like a humans and solve the complex problem and learn from feedback, right? Learn from feedback. This is not science fiction, right? And it's augmented AI, and it's already transforming the various industry, right? So hi everyone, right? Welcome back. Today we are, you know, deep driving what augmented AI really means and how it will work, why such a game changers, right? And sticks around the end where I will show you how to build your own agents, right? So basically, let's talk about what exactly Augmented AI is. Augmented AI is AI system that can decision to take action automatically to achieve the goal, right? Augmented. So typically, think about Chat GPT like calculator. It give you answer when you ask like 2 plus 2 equal to 4, but Augmented AI goes the beyond further. It plan, act, adapt, just like human brain work or human assist work. You know, so this is how like main features for augmented AI, which we are going to talk is these. So basically, so what makes augmented AI difference, right? So first one goal oriented planning. It does not answer its complete task, right? Third DPG give only goal. And the second one is multi-step reasoning. It break down complex problem into the smaller. And third one is autonomous action. It can send email, it can book flight, even write a code. Fourth one, tool integration. It use API software database to get the things done. Fifth, and fifth and last, it also learning and improving over through the feedback, right? So this is what. Now let's talk about some example, real world example. Say you ask how many vacation days do I have left, right? So GPT, so in typically GPT might you scan PDF, you have given the PDF of all your leaves and it give you numbers. But if you see augmented AI HR assistants, it check your balance, it submit leave request, notify your manager, update your calendar, send your confirmation email. No human intervention needed. It work. Everything is done by augmented AI. So now I will walk through how augmented AI works in the four step, right? So which I'm going to talk about. Step first is preserving it. It gather data from PDF, dashboards, API sensor like travel agent checking weather, flight price, and hotel availability. So step 2, what it will do, it will plan and it reason using so reasons its plan like using LLM. GPT-4 build a strategy. If sunny in London in May, it choose the best travel date, right? This is how the you know it's planned. And third one is act or executes. It's like human executes. Book flight via API like Expedia, Booking.com or Trip.com. Generate meeting invite, complete workflow. And now last one, it learn, it use feedback to improve. And say an Uber ride get cancelled, it learn and adjust the future plan. That's called the flywheel, right? Now let's talk about some of the real world or industry use case. Let's look where actually it's happening in AI software. So in coding, Devika is AI, write, debug, and develop autonomous codes. And this is Devika. It can do autonomous code. Devika GPT engineers, and yeah. Let's talk about customer service. In customer service, NVIDIA AV Avatar handle you know it's handle complete refund, schedule appointment, resolve the complaints, right? and resolve all complaints by 27. In healthcare, Hippocratic AI reads patient's history, books appointment, events, and remind and medication. Right. In a travel, you say plan 7 days London trip under $2,000 with 4 sunny days. Augmented AI does it all, right? It's mind blowing, no, isn't it? So let's talk about build your own augmented AI, right? So there is two popular method. One is using tools, another is using code, right? Tools, you can no code tools like Zapier, N8N, Smash.com, Connect API, Chat GPT, Calendar, and more. Using code Python, we can build using LangChain and OpenAI. And my GitHub code I have given here, but now I'm still building. This is full, this is how the output came, but this is just like prototype. I have put all the code here in GitHub. You can go through here, and I'm building, still haven't done, but all the API I added, right? So let's talk about future augmented AIs. And so you can use it can increase the productivity, but some cases is job displacement it likely to augmenting first it will take. So this is just prediction. More example, you can also see AI assistants. This is really a use lovable. It can create your website within a second, right? Now the things is final my thoughts is, should you care about augmenting AI? My answer should be yes. It's automative, repetitive task, boost your productivity in future proofs to work. Experiment with no code tools, build your own prototypes, yeah, and stay ahead in the curve. And AI isn't replace jobs. I don't think, right? Bigger conversation. It's need bigger conversation or something like. So what I really want you guys, if you enjoy this, my article, please follow me